Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 things we love about the BEKO Pro Fast45 dishwasher. It saves the need for hand drying, it gives you extra hygienic cleaning, and it cleans your dishes a lot quicker. So we're going to head over to the lab now where we're going to take a look at this tech in a little bit more detail. A lot of the time when you empty your stuff from the dishwasher, it's not completely dry. So you often have to grab a tea towel and hand dry everything yourself. Well, luckily you won't have to do that with this machine because it dries really thoroughly. So it does this by circulating hot air inside really efficiently and quickly to make sure that everything is thoroughly dry, even down to those small water drops that you often find on your cutlery and your glasses that will often leave those water stains. So we actually had a cycle run in and now it's all finished up. Let's take a look. And to help with the drying, the door actually opened automatically at the end, which of course helps all of that steam to escape, which is really helpful. And this was the water-stained casserole dish, which is now sparkling clean. Look at that, come and take a look. That's really impressive. So that's using the Maxi Dry technology, which means that this comes out ready to be popped straight into your cupboard. You'll get total peace of mind that all of your items get the best possible clean with the Hygiene Intense programme, which uses extra high temperatures to help effectively sanitise everything and eliminate up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. And it's really handy if you completely rushed off your feet or have loads of dishes to wash up, because the Fast45 programme really thoroughly washes and dries your soiled wash in just 45 minutes. If you'd like any more info on this BEKO Pro Fast45 dishwasher, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.